This year for summer, Dollar Tree is coming with so many items that are amazing to create DIYs and projects for your home, but they are also great for organization and so many hacks that I'm going to share with you in today's video. Dollar Tree has been carrying these wall removable tiles and wallpapers for a while now, but they start bringing new designs and I love them. They are perfect for like laundry walls, a girl's bathroom. I love those vibrant colors, faux wood, faux bricks, and others with neutral colors and designs. I really love the faux bricks. I decided to stick these on the wall close to the fireplace, and I really love how this looks. It gives a really realistic look, but it was really on a budget. I think that the bricks and the faux wood can bring a really nice touch to a boy's bathroom or an office. Now, like I said, they also have the wall removable tiles, and I really like this. I have seen so many people putting these on a bathroom close to the mirror or using them as a backsplash on the kitchen. But you can do so many DIYs and so many projects with these too, and I'm going to show you a really easy one that you can do. I'm going to be using this wall removable tile with this pattern. I think it's just perfect for summer, and I'm going to stick them on a cylinder vase. You can use a glass one from Dollar Tree. I'm just reusing this one that I have, and I'm just going to stick these on my cylinder, and I'm going to add some plants on the top. I'm going to be putting these on my kitchen, and I really love how it turned out because I love this tile, I love this pattern, and I don't want to cover my whole backsplash on the kitchens, and this is a great way to add tile or this pattern in my kitchen without having to stick anything on my walls. The number 2 is going to be these wall stickers. If you haven't checked these in a while, you have to stop by this aisle. They start bringing so many really cool and fun stickers that you can use to DIY so many things and name brand stickers like pirate stickers, baby shark. They have these really cool wall decoration pieces. They have like a 3D effect, and I love them. They're really good if you want to stick them on the wall, or maybe you can put them on a sign. That's a really good DIY that I have to try and show you guys. They also have Raya and the Last Dragon, really beautiful stickers for girls and boys bathroom, and also these boho style that I think are perfect for an office. This world map really got my attention. I love the neutral colors it has and how rustic it looks, so I got that and I decided to make a DIY with these. I'm going to start by sticking my stickers on a piece of cardboard. You can stick these on the wall, but I want to make like a sign, so I'm going to be sticking these on a cardboard. I decided to make a really easy frame, so I'm going to use these tear sticks that you can get at Home Depot or Lowe's or Walmart, and I'm going to cut them the size that I need, and then you can paint them. You can use any color. I decided to use some wax in antique color, add some water just to make the color a little bit lighter. Then I'm going to let it dry. I'm going to put all of these sticks together with popsicle sticks to make my frame, and then I'm going to be sticking my world map with some hot glue. To be able to hang this, you can add a tooth hanger on the back, and this is how this project turned out. You can create so many really fun and cool stuff with these wall stickers. They are from a great quality. They stick really well, and I want you to let me in the comments what you have done with these wall stickers from Dollar Tree. I need some more ideas. And guys, remember that I post videos every single week with home decor inspiration, so make sure that you are subscribed to my channel and that you hit the bell to get notified every single time that I post a video. The next item that you have to keep your eyes open and grab this summer are succulents. They start bringing these for spring and summer, and this year they come with different colors and different kinds of succulents. But not just that, they also change the vase that they come with. Now they have a round vase and a bigger square vase that I really like, and also in neutral and pastel colors and different sizes. feel like I have a huge collection of succulents, and I love to use them to style small vases and bowls and put them in my bathroom, and also in small baskets that I have and put them in my shelf. But I'm also going to show you a really cool hack and DIY that you have to try at home with these succulents that you can get right now at Dollar Tree. You're going to need about 10 to 12 succulents. It depends on how big is the vase that you're going to use to put these succulents. And what I want to do is to create stems for these succulents, so maybe I can have like 2 succulents out of 1 stem. I want them to be very tall, so that way I can put them in a long or big vase, the same way as you put like flowers and like olive branches and things like that. So for that, I'm going to be using some bamboo skewers that you can get also at Dollar Tree. And to be able to put the succulents on the bamboo skewers, I'm going to use some floral wire and also hot glue to make sure that they are going to stick well on my bamboo skewers and they are not going anywhere. From there, you want to use some floral tape that you also can get at Dollar Tree, and you want to cover all of the wire and the bamboo skewer. That way your stems are going to look so much better. And if you want, you can leave the tape in that green color. It's going to look fine, but you can cover that and use some, maybe like a brown paint color. I use some antique wax and I cover the green tape just a little bit, then I let it dry, and this is how this project turned out. I absolutely love how this project turned out. I really love it. I have this idea on mind for like months and I finally did it. I put my succulent stems in this jar or vase that I have, and I put it on my living room, and I love the high-end look that has and how easy and fun it was to make. Give this video a big thumbs up right now if you love this idea as much as I do. I'm curious, what are your plans for this summer? So many people are traveling, taking vacations, going to camping, getaways, and if you have those plans, you have to stop by on the go section at Dollar Tree because they have so many cool stuff that you may need when you travel. You want to have your creams and lotions in smaller containers. That way it's so much easier to carry on those things. And they have the traveling bottles come 3 in a package. You can use this for shampoo, conditioner, and you can put a label or sticker on these to identify each bottle. And they also have the travel jars that are a little bit smaller, and I love to use them to put my gel for my hair and lotions and creams for my face. And you can also find so many name brand items like body lotions, shampoo, cream, toothpaste, mouthwash, and they are super small, perfect for traveling, and they only cost $1.25. It's so much cheaper if you buy these at Dollar Tree. They always restock this section now for summer, so keep your eyes open. They have this inflatable neck rest pillow. I tried this before and I really like it, so highly recommend. And if you want to keep everything organized in your bag, I'm going to show you a really cool hack that you can try. Go to the toy section where all of the Barbie stuff is and get this new item that they have. It's a fashion doll carrier and has a zipper and a clear plastic front that I love for traveling because that way I can see everything that I have. They have toy smaller hangers that you have to remove, but they bring this elastic ribbon that is perfect to keep your things even more organized. I decided to put my toothbrushes there, that way they cannot go anywhere, and you can also put your brushes and your clips for your hair. And this doll carrier is pretty big, so you can put so many stuff inside of this. I put my shampoo, conditioner, my creams, my toothpaste, and you can put so much more inside of these. And I love this because it keeps all of your things organized. And what I love the most is that it has like a hanger. You actually can hang these maybe from a rack or from the doorknob. So cool and so perfect for traveling, to keep your things visible because it's plastic and clear on one side. talking about shampoos and conditioners and hair stuff, you have to stop by the beauty section at Dollar Tree. They come with name brand hair products that I love for only $1.25, like these Tresemme or Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. This is one of my favorite brands to use on my hair, so as you can imagine, I get a few of those. And they also bring these shampoo bottles that are so cool. They are so big. Maybe I think you can put like 2 like normal shampoos and conditioner containers inside of these to fill these bottles. That's cool. And what I'm going to do is to add a decal, or maybe you can add a sticker to identify each bottle. So I did that with my Cricut, and I stick 1 decal on each of the bottles. Then I refill my bottles with the shampoo and conditioner, and I think you can also use these to put body lotion or body wash or things like that. And this is going to give your bathroom a really nice, organized and clean look. And it's also pretty handy if you have kids, so that way they can identify each product better. Let me know if you have seen these shampoo bottles before at your Dollar Tree. Because we are in the summer season, you're going to find these barbecue and grilling section at Dollar Tree. So many cool stuff that you can use for grilling and barbecues, but you can try to think outside of the box and use some of the stuff to DIY projects. They have these condiment bottles that come in a package. They are great size, and they already have like the cute print on them. So if you don't have a Cricut, don't worry, these condiment bottles looks perfect the way they are. They have table clamps, perfect for outdoor parties, for holding your tablecloths. And you can easily find the famous bamboo skewers that I love to use on my projects. I actually did a whole video full of DIYs that you can do with these bamboo skewers. They come 100 in a package, but keep your eyes open because for summer they always bring these long bamboo skewers. They come 12 in a package, but they are so long, perfect for s'mores and campings and things like that. But they are also great for DIYs because they are thicker and so much longer than the usual bamboo skewers. And I recently did a DIY for some patriotic decor pieces. I grabbed these flags that come 3 in a package from Dollar Tree, and I want to put them outside, but they have a very small stem, so I decided to remove that and put the long bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree. And I just add some hot glue to make sure that it stays strong there, and I put this outside, and this is how it turned out. And I really love this idea, but you can do so many more projects with these long bamboo skewers from Dollar Tree, only $1.25. Maybe this is going to sound a little bit crazy, but actually summer is one of the best seasons to get your fall decoration at Dollar Tree. And they start bringing fall decor pieces like these candle holders. They have a pumpkin shape, and it comes in different colors, navy blue, orange, and also white pumpkins. But if you go to the dinnerware section, you are going to find some other stuff like these beautiful charger plate in copper color. I am obsessed with this charger plate. It looks beautiful. I love to use copper colors for fall, and this charger plate is new. And you can also find some of the dinnerware with pumpkin prints on them now for fall. But what really got my eyes are these new dinnerware in this like sage color. Oh my god, it looks so high-end. You can find the plates and the bowls, but don't freak out if you don't find the whole set. You can always mix and match with other colors like I did, and I love how this look. And this is a beautiful color to use now for fall. But not just that, you can go to the kitchen section and you are going to see so many more kitchen utensils with this sage color and other colors like red and navy blue and green white and teal, and you're going to find like the scissors and the cutting mats and mixing bowls. And I just love these colors, so keep your eyes open because they are bringing so many really cool stuff. And you can also use these plates to create like tier trays and so many more DIYs. Let me know if you want some ideas with these plates. Okay, last but not least, this pegboard system that you can find at Dollar Tree right now. They come in two different colors, white and black. I choose black because I think it's a little bit more like modern and it's going to match better with my home decor. And you can find so many really cool things to attach to the pegboards, like the trays, the cup holders, hanging organizing trays, so many cool stuff. And I'm gonna try a really cool DIY that you can try at home, super easy. You're going to need 3 of these square pegboard systems, and I'm also going to get some cable ties from Dollar Tree to be able to attach these 3 pegboards together without having to use any type of glue. That way I can cut later and reuse the pegboards anytime. I'm also gonna get 3 of these wire baskets from Dollar Tree. These ones have an oval shape and it's going to work perfect for these projects because I'm going to put 1 wire basket on each of the pegboards with the cable ties. And I'm going to be using these to store my fruits, my fresh products. So I'm going to add a tag to each wire basket, and then I'm going to put my fruits, and I'm going to be hanging these on my pantry door, and it's a perfect way to keep my things organized, and I love how it turned out. And I'm also going to be using my hanging organizing tray to organize my cleaning supplies, and I'm going to hang these on my cabinet door close to my sink. And you can create so many really cool stuff and DIY projects with these pegboards to organize maybe your craft stuff, your kitchen, your kids' toys, your office. And I love that Dollar Tree comes with these new items, so keep your eyes open because this is a very trendy item and it's going out so fast. I hope that you like the DIYs and ideas that I show you of what you can do with these supplies. If you like this video, please give me that big thumbs up. It really helps to support my channel. Let me know in the comments which of these ideas is one of your favorites, and make sure that you are subscribed to my channel. Remember to follow me on all my social media pages. I'm going to leave you the links in the description box of this video and every single one. Thank you so much for the love and support, and see you in my next video. Mwah. Bye guys.